What doing, honey? What my baby doing? Huh? Mommy wobble belly? Huh? What doing, baby? What doing, honey? What doing? That's my baby. Mommy sounds like you, baby. Rattle, rattle. Mommy. Nice. Hey, baby. Look up here. Look up here, baby. What doing? What doing, huh? Who's my baby? Oh, yes, my girly girl. Who's my teeny tiny, huh? Who's your little girl? My hand just about dwarfs her, see? Look at that. She'll disappear in my hand. She don't mind. Who's my baby, huh? Oh, it looks all rumply. Yes, my girl. Who's my baby, huh? Who's my sweet pie? Who's mommy's baby? What doing, huh? I'm gonna take a bath. Mommy rubber belly, maybe you'll take a bath. Oh, baby. Oh, laying down, huh? You flashing your tail. What doing, honey? What you flashing your tail? What you doing, baby? Want mommy cover up? You waiting for me to cover you up? Huh? Where's your eyes? Let's see them eyes. Oh, it's my baby. Who's so creepy, huh? And tail just a-going. That tail's just a-going. Can mommy see the feet? Oh, those little white toes. Look at them little white toes. You smelling me? You all done? Are you all done? Alright, mommy cover up. How's that? You ready? Okay. Is you in there? Where are you guys? Was you flashing the tail? Is that my baby? You in your pile of blankets on the futon? Where's my baby? You gonna flash your tail for mommy? Did you almost flash your tail? Liza. Liza. What you doing, baby? You gonna talk to mommy with your tail? Huh? Oh, it's my baby. Purring? Night, night, baby. Mommy quit bugging you.